How to log in ANZ online banking account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open up any preferred browser and search for ANZ login. Then click on this very website that says Internet Banking. After this website has been opened up, this is going to be where you can log into your account. So you can find different options here. If it is a personal account, you can simply log in from this page. There is also the option for a business account, so simply click on business for that. Now click on the login button. From here, enter your bank's credentials like customer registration number. Then you need to enter your password. If you have forgotten any one of these details, you can simply click on the Forgot Login Details option. After entering all the details, click on the Login option. If you do not have an account, you can simply create it by clicking on the Register option. If all the details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your ANZ internet banking account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.